Hi everybody, and welcome to the video tour of 13003 Salty Springs. I love this home because it's so well taken care of. And one of the things you're going to love about this home is the landscaping. The owners went ahead and put this landscaping all on the side. And one of the other things that is beneficial about this home, another aspect of what I love about the house, is that when you come and see it, you're going to notice that you have no side neighbor. And when we go to the backyard, you're also going to go ahead and discover there is no back neighbor as well. It has a beautiful landscape with this brick done right at the entrance. And remember, this is a Webb home, so as a result, it comes with these really good benefits for those that are looking to live in an accessible type of house. So as you can see, you have a large walkway to come in. Same thing, all the hallways and doors are handicap accessible. Now the owners went ahead and tastefully did this iron door that you see here. And as you walk in, you're going to go ahead, welcome home. You're going to go ahead and see a very versatile type of office right in here. And one thing I love about it is the owners went ahead and put it in the ceiling fan, really large crown molding, and privacy film in all the windows. So as you could see, you could enjoy the view of the outside and at the same time have all that natural light come in. Now as we walk through here, I love how this expansive hallway leads us right into the kitchen, into the dining room, and the whole setup, very open floor plan. And one thing I love about it is that look at this kitchen, gourmet-style kitchen, double espresso type of cabinets, and look at this granite type of countertop. I love the circular edge at the edge. Now, another benefit you get with the home is you can see you have a raised dishwasher and stainless steel faucets with gas cooking. There is a butler area right over here that gives you the convenience if you ever need to go ahead, have coffee with a very large pantry room. So as you can see, the pantry is very expansive. And this right over here leads into kind of like a little natural space. As you can see, the owners did as their coffee as you could. And as we move over here, one of the things I love about this is that it has a full shower. So these homes this is a 2-bedroom, 1,974 square foot home. But as you can see, the shower itself is full walk-in. So if you ever have somebody that comes over and needs a walk-in shower, perfect for them. And look at this bedroom right over here, just gorgeous. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the garage. Now one thing I love about the garage was extended by the owners. So as the owners went ahead, so you have, look at all the shelf spacing. Makes it convenient to store all your tools, anything that you have storage, Christmas items. And as you come right over here, one thing I love about the home, it already has a water softener installed. So you're going to be able to get that really nice soft water that comes from this house. Now, take a look. This right here is the extension to the garage that you see over here. For everybody that's looking for always some extra storage space, perfect for it. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the master bedroom. There is a mudroom right at the garage. And one thing I love about the mudroom is it makes it convenient when kids come in, or if you have any guests that come over, or even yourself that need to go ahead and store things before you're coming in or heading out. Now let's go ahead and walk. And here's the family room. One thing I love of the family room, look at that big ceiling fan that was placed. All these walls have been freshly painted. They went ahead and put a sand and finish. So one thing I love about the sand and finish is you ever have to do cleanup, it makes it really easy without having to repaint. Now, take a look here at the laundry room. Laundry room is impressive because you're able to store and have full-size washer and dryer. And as you walk into the master bedroom, I love the luxury tray ceiling. And as you can see, the lighting goes perfect with the oasis that waits for you as you go outside. Now, one thing that I love is the master bath. Come and relax in this master bath. As you come and envision yourself with this full walk-in shower, you're gonna see the convenience of really simplicity, elegance, all kind of combined in one. And as you come over here, you also have a double vanity that go ahead and features things you can use, things you need. Because as two people come in the home, you're gonna go ahead and find out that you need this large closet space to go ahead and store all your clothes. So for everybody, ample storage. Now I'm switching back over here to the double vanity. As you can see, same thing, upgraded double espresso, birch wood, and look at the faucets. Very, very elegant. Same thing with the mirror. Mirror is one of these frame mirrors, so it gives you that extra tap of elegance to the house. Now let's go ahead and now walk to one of my favorite parts of this home, which is the backyard. One of the things I love when I saw the backyard is all the love that the owners put into it. Spent weeks working on this backyard, if not months, because to get this kind of experience to the backyard, you're gonna go ahead and see that this backyard is just an oasis, relaxing back here, having peace in nature, right at your back door. And one thing I love about the home, it also got pre-plumbed for gas. And look at everything that the owners did. Let me go ahead and see, they extended the patio. And with the patio extension, they went ahead and got the concrete stain. One thing I love, and let me go ahead and move this so you get a better appreciation of this, is the actual, this little center tile that was placed in the home. One of the things you can see about that center tile, it really gives it a really good accent. And look at this little corner that was also done with the house. Now, one thing that I love is that look at all these trees and landscaping they did with the home itself. It comes with a full sprinkler system. So one of the things I love about it is that it makes it easy maintenance free. And then take a look at the side yard with the elegant brick design they did to it, leading naturally all the way to the side of the house. So one thing that comes to mind, peace, quiet, serenity. You're gonna be able to enjoy all this. And now we have the benefit that you can see on the backyard, there is no neighbor. Beautiful wrought iron fence on this side. And as you're sitting back here, you can see that you have privacy with some of the upgrades that the owners did with the trees that you see here. Come take a look at this home. This home is marvelous. Home is beautiful. It's one of these that you live in the Webb community that comes featured with its own pool, clubhouse, all these activities for your retired life or for whatever it is that you're planning to do. There's about over 80 clubs with the community. So call us for a private showing, 210-632-9828 or 210-584-7576.